What are radial tires? Tires are the only thing between the road and your vehicle, so their quality is crucial for driving safety. Radial tires have become the standard for passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks. But what are radial tires exactly? Invented in the 1940s by Michelin, radial tires quickly gained popularity in Europe and Asia for their superior performance. It took longer for them to conquer the US, but by the late 1970s, radial tires became the norm. Radial tires are characterized by special tire plies arranged perpendicularly from one sidewall to the other. This design offers benefits such as longer tread life, fuel economy, better handling, and reduced road vibrations. While radial tires have their downsides in terms of repairability, they have become the standard choice for most vehicles. Ready to upgrade your tires? Visit our website to find the perfect set for your vehicle.